Hi everyone, I'm John Eliasik, a Chicago personal injury attorney, and today we are talking about one of the most important and most misunderstood parts of any car accident case, getting medical treatment right away. If you've been injured in a crash, you might be in pain, confused, worried about how you're going to pay for treatment, especially when the insurance company isn't helping. In this video, I'll explain why getting medical treatment quickly is critical, how documentation makes or breaks your case, why the insurance company won't pay right away, and how we can help you get the treatment you need even before your case settles. The first thing you need to understand is this. In a personal injury case, your medical treatment is the foundation of your claim. It's not just about getting better, it's about proving that you were hurt and showing how that injury affected your life. Every doctor's visit, test, prescription, or physical therapy appointment becomes evidence. It tells a story, a timeline of your pain, your recovery, and what you've had to go through because of someone else's negligence. Without that documentation, the insurance company will act like your injuries don't exist. They'll say, if they were really hurt, they would have gone to the doctor. So getting medical treatment early and consistently is one of the best things you can do, both for your health and for your case. Here's what most people don't realize. Insurance companies don't see pain, they see paperwork. If it's not written down in a medical record, to them, it didn't happen. They don't care how much you're hurt or how scared you were. They care about whether they can verify in black and white. That's why documentation is everything. If you skip appointments, delay seeing a doctor, or stop treatment too soon, the insurance company will jump on that. They'll argue that your injuries weren't serious or that you must have gotten better. So even if your pain feels manageable or you think it'll go away, go to the doctor and follow through. The sooner you get medical care, the stronger your case becomes. Now here's the frustrating part, and it's something most injured people don't expect. When you're hurt because of someone else's negligence, you'd think the other driver's insurance company would pay your medical bills right away. But they don't. In a personal injury case, the defendant and their insurance company only pay after we reach a settlement or verdict. That means, in the meantime, you're stuck trying to get medical care without the help of the person who caused your injuries. Your own health insurance company might not cover everything. Or you might not have insurance at all. That leaves many people in a terrible position. They're in pain, they need treatment, but they can't afford it out of their pocket. And the insurance company knows this. They'll drag their feet, hoping you give up, skip care, or settle for less. This is where we can help. At the law offices of John Eliasik, we work with a trusted network of medical providers who understand personal injury cases and who will treat you right away, even if your case hasn't settled yet. These are doctors, physical therapists, orthopedic specialists, pain management clinics, and surgeons who provide care on what is called a lien basis or letter of protection. That means they agree to wait to get paid until your case is resolved. You get the treatment you need now, and we make sure that they're paid later out of the settlement. No upfront costs, no delay, no fighting with the insurance company just to see a doctor. Our goal is simple: get you healthy while we fight for your case. And when you get consistent medical treatment, it helps both your recovery and your case value. Because when the insurance company sees a clear pattern of care from day one, it becomes very hard for them to argue that your injuries aren't real. Let's talk about what happens when you don't get treatment right away. If you wait weeks or months before seeing a doctor, the insurance company will say, if they were really injured, they would have gone in sooner. That argument alone can reduce the value of your claim by thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. Delaying treatment doesn't just slow your recovery, it gives the insurance company ammunition. They'll claim something else caused your injuries, or that they're not as severe as you say. Even if you have a strong case, those delays will make it harder for us to prove it. So the bottom line is this: get checked out as soon as possible after your accident. Here's how this all ties together. Every appointment Every diagnosis and every test adds weight to your claim. Insurance adjusters and juries look at the totality of your medical records to decide what your case is worth. That's why clients who get early and consistent medical treatment almost always receive larger settlements. Because their pain and recovery are well documented in writing by professionals and backed by evidence. Your job is to focus on healing. Our job is to make sure the insurance company sees the full picture of what you've gone through. If you've been injured in a car accident and you're struggling to get medical treatment, don't wait. At the law offices of John Eliasik, we can help you find doctors and specialists who will treat you right away, even if your case is still pending. We'll make sure your injuries are properly documented, your treatment is covered, and your case is built on solid medical evidence, so you can focus on getting better. Call us today for a free consultation or click the link below to visit our website to learn more. You don't pay anything unless we win. I'm John Eliasik, Illinois personal injury attorney. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself.